Welcome to How It's Done, where we take you behind the scene to explore the fascinating world of manufacturing. Today, we are diving into the intricate process of creating a smartphone. Join me as we uncover the secret behind the device that has become an indispensable part of our lives. Our journey begins with the design and conceptualization phase. Watch as designers employ advanced softwares, tools to bring their vision to life, creating sleek and functional smartphone design that captivate the imagination. The design process starts with the sketches and digital renderings, where innovative features, ergonomics, and aesthetics are meticulously explored. These ideas are transformed into 3D models, allowing designers to refine their vision before moving into the next stage. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the manufacturing of smartphone components. Witness the impressive machinery and automated process that produce these intricate parts of exceptional precision. In specialized factories, cutting-edge equipment fabricate components such as motherboards, display panels, camera modules, battery cells, and more. Advanced techniques like semiconductor fabrication, display production, and lens manufacturing are employed to create the backbone of our smartphones. The printed circuit board, or PCB, is a crucial element that connects and powers all the electronic components of a smartphone. Observe the incredible automation involved in the precise assembly of these miniature electronic circuits. Automated machines, guided by a computer control process, place microchips, resistors, capacitors, and connectors onto the PCB with incredible speed and accuracy. This step ensures optimal connectivity, electrical performance, and reliability. Quality control plays a vital role in ensuring that every smartphone meets the highest standard of performance and durability. Let's explore the automated testing procedure that leave no room for errors or defects. In specialized testing facilities, automated systems perform a variety of tests on each smartphone. These tests include functionality checks, screen calibration, camera evaluations, durability assessments, and even simulated user interaction. Every aspect of the device is perfectly scrutinized to ensure a flawless user experience. The integration of software breathes life into smartphones, enabling a seamless user experience. Let's observe the automated process involved in installing the operating system, firmware, and applications. Robotic systems precisely load and configure the software components of each smartphone. They install the operating system, integrate firmware updates, and preload essential applications. This automated process guarantees consistency and efficiency in software development. We have reached the final stage, automated final assembly. Witness the culmination of the entire production process as robotics arms bring together all the components, creating a fully functional smartphone ready to be embraced by the user worldwide. In a mesmerizing dance of automation, robotic arms skillfully attach the PCB, display panel, camera module, battery, buttons, and connectors with exceptional precision and speed. The completed smartphone undergo final inspection to ensure impeccable quality before they are packed and prepared for distribution. And that concludes our immerse journey through smartphone production. We hope this detailed exploration has provided you with a deeper understanding of the incredible process involved in creating these modern marvels. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more captivating technological adventures. This is Abbatera, signing off from How It's Done. Stay curious, embrace technology, and join us next time as we continue to uncover the wonders of technology.